Ever wondered why the earth pin in a 3-pin electrical socket is longer than the other 2 pins? It all boils down to safety. Firstly, it's all about safety grounding. The earth pin connects to the grounding system of the electrical installation. If something goes wrong, like a short circuit, the grounding system provides a path for the electric current to flow safely into the ground. The longer earth pin makes contact first, establishing a secure grounding connection before the live and neutral contacts are made. Secondly, the elongated earth pin ensures a sequential connection. The earth connection is established first, followed by the neutral and then the live connection. This sequence is crucial for safety, reducing the risk of electric shock by ensuring grounding before the live current. Lastly, the design prevents accidental disconnects of the grounding connection. If the plug partially slips out of the socket, the longer earth pin ensures that the grounding connection remains intact longer than the live and neutral connections. Countries worldwide have electrical codes and standards to ensure uniformity and compliance with safety requirements. The longer earth pin is a key feature designed to enhance electrical safety in everyday use. Stay safe, and remember to subscribe for more quick facts.